Want free packs in the FIFA Panini 2026 app? Then in this video, I'll show you the latest FIFA Panini promo codes and how to redeem them in seconds. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing first, head over to your application FIFA Panini. Well, in this page, you have to make sure that you register your account. Once you're registered, you will get some free packs. But if you open it as a guest, then you will not be able to receive the packs, so make sure to sign in into the specific account. Once signed in, you need to click on Open Packs right over here. You will be able to get your new free pack. Simply open it and store it on your album. You can also click it again and then get new free pack. You can paste it in your album as well. Once done, now using the promo code, how you can redeem it is tap on promo code right over here. Now there's a free promo code available to everyone. All you need to do is enter FIFA 2026 play. Once you have entered, tap on redeem code. Well, I have already used this code, so it says this code has already been used. But if it's the first time entering the code, then you will be able to receive the pack itself. Now the next code you can try entering is Panini Collect in all the capital letters. Once you have entered, simply click on redeem code once again. And there you go, the free pack is now available to you. Likewise, you can use another code as well and you will be able to receive free packs. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.